Today I'm troubleshooting a Carrier Aquasnap chiller, circuit number 2. Somebody was cutting grass and knocked a hole into it. Circuit number 1, we got one compressor pulled in, stage 2 won't pull in, and the chill water set point is 40 degrees, but the internal water is 54.5. Leaving water is 51.51. Check right here. I'll put this on here. I got voltage coming in. From a high pressure switch, so that's good. 24 volts leaving the board to go to compressor 1. This is the gray wire for compressor 2 right there. We got 0 volts, nothing coming out the board. We go to the contactor right there. And this is the gray wire right here. Got incoming voltage, leaving it go to that contactor, with nothing coming out. So I'm gonna quote them a new board. And that's